Mars is more than just a dusty red rock. It's a planet full of mysteries and wonders that continue to baffle scientists and space enthusiasts alike. From its unique geological features to its intriguing atmospheric phenomena, Mars offers a glimpse into a world that is both alien and strangely familiar. As we delve deeper into the secrets of the red planet, we uncover facts that challenge our understanding of the universe and our place within it. From blue sunsets to giant volcanoes, Mars is a planet of extremes. Its landscape is dotted with features that are both awe-inspiring and perplexing. Imagine standing on the Martian surface witnessing a sunset that paints the sky in shades of blue, a stark contrast to the fiery reds and oranges we see on Earth. Or picture the colossal volcanoes that rise from the surface, dwarfing any mountain on our home planet. Here are 10 weird facts about Mars you won't believe. Each fact reveals a different aspect of this fascinating planet, from its towering mountains to its tiny moons. As we explore these facts, we'll gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities and wonders of Mars. Did you know Mars has a volcano 3 times taller than Mount Everest? This behemoth, known as Olympus Mons, stands at a staggering height of 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers. It's not just the tallest volcano on Mars, it's the tallest volcano in the entire solar system. The sheer size of Olympus Mons is a testament to the volcanic activity that once shaped the Martian landscape. Meet Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system. Its base is so wide that it could cover the entire state of New Mexico. The caldera at its summit is about 50 miles, 80 kilometers wide, large enough to fit the entire city of London. The formation of Olympus Mons is believed to be the result of millions of years of volcanic activity, with lava flows building up layer upon layer to create this massive structure. Unlike our perfectly round moon, Mars has 2 tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos. These moons are irregularly shaped, resembling lumpy potatoes more than the spherical moons we're used to seeing. Their odd shapes and small sizes have led scientists to believe that they may be captured asteroids, remnants of the early solar system that were snared by Mars's gravity. Mars has 2 tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, that look more like potatoes in space. Phobos, the larger of the two, is slowly spiraling inward towards Mars, and is expected to either crash into the planet or break apart to form a ring in about 50 million years. Deimos, on the other hand, is gradually drifting away from Mars. These moons provide a unique opportunity to study the dynamics of small celestial bodies in orbit around a planet that look more like potatoes in space. Their surfaces are covered in craters and grooves, evidence of countless impacts over billions of years. Despite their small size, Phobos and Deimos play a significant role in our understanding of the Martian system and the history of our solar system. Think dust storms on Earth are bad? Mars experiences massive dust storms that can cover the entire planet and last for months. These planet-wide storms can obscure the surface and make it difficult for rovers and landers to operate. The dust particles are so fine that they can remain suspended in the atmosphere for weeks, creating a hazy, reddish-brown sky. Mars experiences massive dust storms that can cover the entire planet and last for months. These storms are driven by the planet's thin atmosphere and the intense temperature differences between day and night. When the sun heats the Martian surface, it causes the air to rise, creating powerful winds that lift dust into the atmosphere. These storms can grow to envelop the entire planet, turning day into night and reducing visibility to almost zero. There may not be rivers on Mars anymore, but scientists have discovered frozen water just beneath its surface. This discovery has profound implications for the possibility of life on Mars, as water is a key ingredient for life as we know it. The presence of frozen water also suggests that Mars may have had a much wetter and more hospitable past, but scientists have discovered frozen water just beneath its surface. This ice is found in the polar ice caps and in the form of permafrost in the soil. During the Martian summer, some of this ice can sublimate, turning directly from solid to gas, and contribute to the thin atmosphere. The presence of water ice on Mars is a tantalizing clue that the planet may still harbor some form of microbial life. Mars is home to Valles Marineris, a canyon system that's 10 times longer than the Grand Canyon. Stretching over 2,500 miles, 4,000 kilometers, across the Martian surface, Valles Marineris is one of the largest canyons in the solar system. Its formation is believed to be the result of tectonic activity, where the crust of Mars was pulled apart, creating a massive rift. A canyon system that's 10 times longer than the Grand Canyon. The depth of Valles Marineris reaches up to 7 miles, 11 kilometers, in some places, making it a truly colossal feature. The canyon walls reveal layers of rock that provide a geological history of Mars, offering clues about the planet's past climate and the processes that shaped its surface. With an atmosphere 100 times thinner than Earth's, Mars can't support human life without special habitats. The thin atmosphere means that the surface pressure is too low for liquid water to exist, and the lack of a magnetic field leaves the planet exposed to harmful solar radiation. Any future human missions to Mars will require advanced technology to create livable conditions. Mars can't support human life without special habitats. These habitats would need to provide protection from radiation, maintain a stable temperature, and supply breathable air and drinkable water. Scientists and engineers are already working on concepts for Mars habitats, including inflatable modules, underground bases, and even 3D printed structures made from Martian soil. Billions of years ago, Mars had rivers and lakes. Evidence of ancient riverbeds and lake basins can be seen in the form of dry channels and sedimentary deposits. These features suggest that Mars once had a much thicker atmosphere and a climate that could support liquid water on its surface. Scientists believe liquid water once flowed on its surface, forming valleys and deltas. Unlike Earth's red sunsets, Mars has blue sunsets. The presence of these ancient water features raises the possibility that Mars may have once been home to microbial life. The search for signs of past life on Mars is one of the primary goals of current and future missions to the red planet. The dust in its atmosphere scatters light differently, creating a cool blue hue. This phenomenon occurs because the fine dust particles in the Martian atmosphere scatter blue light more effectively than red light, especially during sunset when the sun is low on the horizon. The result is a stunning blue sunset that is unlike anything seen on Earth. Just like Earth, Mars has seasons due to its tilted axis, but they last twice as long. Mars' axial tilt is about 25 degrees, similar to Earth's 23.5 degrees, which means it experiences similar seasonal changes. However, because Mars takes nearly twice as long to orbit the Sun, each season on Mars lasts about 6 Earth months, but they last twice as long. The changing seasons on Mars bring variations in temperature, atmospheric pressure, and weather patterns. During the Martian winter, the polar ice caps grow as carbon dioxide freezes out of the atmosphere, while in the summer, the ice caps shrink as the carbon dioxide sublimates back into the atmosphere. And here's the coolest fact. Scientists think there might still be salty liquid water beneath Mars's south polar ice cap. Could this mean life? The presence of liquid water is crucial for the potential habitability of Mars. Salty water, or brine, can remain liquid at lower temperatures, increasing the chances that some form of life could exist in these subsurface environments. So, what do you think? The discovery of liquid water beneath the ice caps is one of the most exciting findings in recent years, fueling speculation about the possibility of life on Mars. As we continue to explore the red planet, we may one day find definitive evidence of life, past or present. Could Mars really host life one day? The idea of humans living on Mars is no longer just science fiction. With advancements in technology and a growing interest in space exploration, the dream of establishing a human presence on Mars is becoming more achievable. Future missions will pave the way for this bold new frontier. Let me know in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing space facts. Your support helps us continue to bring you the latest discoveries and insights from the final frontier. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the universe with us.